my dear friends, how are you? I welcome you all with good greetings. I hope you all are fine. Today's second chapter name is scalars and vectors. First of all, subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon and also like my video and do support me. Second chapter, scalars and vectors. Question number 1, what are the scalar quantities? Answer: the physical quantity which has only magnitude but no direction is known as scalar quantity. Example: temperature, time, work, mass, density and volume, etc. Second question: what is the vector quantity? Answer: the physical quantity which has both magnitude as well as direction is known as a vector quantity. Example: velocity, force, torque, momentum, acceleration, displacement, momentum of force and electrical field, etc. Question number 3, what is the free vector? Answer: a vector such as a velocity of body in undergoing uniform translation motion which can be displayed parallel to itself and applied at any point is known as a free vector. Question number 4, what is the position vector? A vector that describes the location of an object with respect to origin point is known as position vector. What is unit vector? A vector whose magnitude is unity A is equal to 1 is referred unit vector. What is null vector? The null vector has zero magnitude and has not direction or may have any direction. What is composition of vector? The progress by which a vector can be from its compounds is also a composition of vector. What are rectangular compounds? If the angle between two compounds is of 90 degree is known as rectangular compounds. What is resolution of a vector? The method by which a vector is split into the vectors whose resultant is known as resolution of vector. What is scalar product or dot product? When two products are multiplied together and three resultant is scalar, then product is known as also scalar product or dot product. Note: if vectors are in three-dimension system and have unit vector. What is vector product or cross product? When two vectors are multiplied together and three resultant is a vector, then such product is known as vector product or cross product. Note: Ixj is equal to minus Jxi is equal to k. Jxk is equal to k minus kxj is equal to I, and kxi is equal to minus Ixk is equal to j. What is the resultant vector? The sum of two or more vectors is equal to a single vector which is called resultant vector. The vector product is also called answer cross product. The scalar product is also called answer dot product. The cross or vector product of two vectors is 0 x a cross b is equal to 0 when they are parallel to each other 0 degree. The scalar or dot product of two vectors is 0 a dot b is equal to when they are perpendicular to each other 90 degree. The cross product of two vectors is negative vector when they have rotated through to 70 degree. The dot product of two vectors is negative vector when they are anti-parallel vector 180 degree. Yes friends, this was the topic is chapter number 2 about the scalars and vectors, and subscribe my YouTube channel to see my latest video. Take care, bye, Allah Hafiz.